What's going on, everybody? Welcome to KICKnology. I'm your boy Truth, and today is Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there.
Happy Father's Day!
So today I have baby girl with me, and I also have my man Ace. He is right over here, so if you guys hear him, I ain't gonna do no edits or anything like that today. Today is gonna just be a Father's Day unboxing, man. Just some fun with my kids. So before we get off into this content, we will be doing a unboxing today, a surprise unboxing that she don't know about, but a sneaker that I've been holding on for a minute. But before we get off into all that, I need you guys to go ahead and what?
Like, subscribe, and hit the notification button.
Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, hit the like button. It helps the channel grow. Do everything that she said, and we appreciate you guys. But without further ado, you ready to get this review?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and do it. Let's go.
No synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got crew, never slack on the brew. For OGs and the youth, you can kick it with us too. KICKnology.
As I stated, today is Father's Day, so salute to all you fathers out there, all you men out there that actually are taking time, doing your due diligence, man, taking care of your kids and actually enjoying it, leading the future, man, molding these kids to see something positive. I salute to you guys and thank you guys for what you do. So today we will be unboxing and reviewing a Nike that I got a minute ago. As you guys can see, this box right here, this is a Nike Air. The box is different. Some of you guys, just by looking at the box, you already might know what it is. But do you have any idea what's in this box?
I know it's gonna be colorful.
She knows it's gonna be colorful. What type of shoe do you think it is?
I know it's gonna have orange and blue on it.
But what kind of shoe?
Like
Nike? Okay, she thinks it's gonna be Nike. So today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Air Max 90 SE. One of my favorite silhouettes. The retail was $190. The colorway on this box is speed yellow, shimmer, and white. So yeah, so we got some yellow and white. So let's go ahead and look at this box. As you guys can see, very unique box. Got some crazy stuff on it. You want to open it up?
Yeah.
All right, hold on. Let me go right here. All right, go ahead, open it up.
Let's see.
All right, so we gonna go ahead and peel back the paper.
Oh wow, I've seen these shoes before.
All right, so we have the Air Max 90 fried chicken joints. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is the name of it. So I chose this sneaker today because I felt like we can have some fun peeling back the wrapper on this shoe.
You can peel it back?
Yeah, so I'm gonna let her peel one, I'm gonna peel one, and we're gonna let you guys judge which sneaker looked the best. But before we do all that, let's go ahead and get this other one out the box and let's get up close and personal with this sneaker. Let's go ahead and look at this shoe a little bit. So as you guys can see right here, this shoe does have a kind of like a wrapping paper upper, as you guys can see on this toe box. And you see right here, it does say open right there. So that's what we're going to be doing, a little bit of peeling away, take away. You have your options. You have this kind of like shiny aluminum foil type vibes that I'm really not feeling on the eyelets on this sneaker. And then also the Nike swoosh is that aluminum foil type material. The back end is that Tin Man type thing also. Around the air unit, you do have this creamy tan colorway, and then you have the yellow air unit in there, and then on the bottom it is that translucent gun bottom. All in all, very dope shoe, white shoelaces. As I pull the insoles out more, what do you think about this sneaker?
I mean, I don't hate it right now, but I don't love it right now. But I want to see when we peel the sneaker. But the favorite part about it right now that I love is the bottom.
Alright, so she likes the bottom. So as you guys can see right here, we do have those tongs right there on the bottom of the insole. Very, very dope. The history, I really can't remember, but I think it has something to do with Japanese fried chicken or like a cook company or something like that. You guys comment down below in the comment section and remind me. I know my man Goggles did a review. I will put his link somewhere up here. But it's a very detailed review on the history, but that ain't what we're here today for. So let me know down below in the comment section. Let us know how you guys, what are your thoughts about the Air Max 90 fried chicken. Resale is not that great on these things. You probably can get them no problem. StockX and Go, they did not drop in the States, in the United States. They only dropped in Japan, if I'm not mistaken. But glad we were able to get our hands on it. So let's go ahead and get to
peeling.
Alright, so let's go ahead and do the exciting part, what she's waiting to do. Let's go ahead and peel back this paper. I'm going to peel back certain parts of mine. She's going to peel back certain part of hers. And we're going to show you guys what it looks like underneath the little wrapping paper. And we're going to see which one you like the best. So let's go ahead and do it. Let's go. Baby girl is going to peel the toe box of the right sneaker first. So as you guys can see right here, go ahead and show them.
So it has a little opening right here.
Okay.
And I'm going to peel that.
So go ahead and peel it.
Oh gosh, it's a little hard to peel. I thought it would be like easy undoing.
You need my help?
Yeah, just a little.
All right, so let's go ahead and.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and peel it.
I see it orange.
Yank it. All right, so as you guys can see right here up under, as she peels it, it is a little bit of orange. So we're gonna go ahead and speed this up a little bit, and we're gonna let her peel this.
Sell no dope, brother more high, you don't smell no smoke. Brother more clean, you don't smell no soap. God smile on the mean, tell no joke in the front of the neighborhood. I don't sell no dope, brother more high, you don't smell no smoke. Brother.
All right, so we did, as you guys can see, it was tough. It wasn't the easiest thing for her to peel it off. But go ahead and pull it up to the camera, show them the toe box. As we remove the toe box, so this is the left one. This is the one that still has a wrapper on it, and this is what it looks like without the wrapper. Let me go ahead and bring that down a little bit. So as you guys can see right here, as she brings it closer to the camera, we have that Air Max 90 in like a comical font. You know what I'm saying? And this is like a rough suede. Let me bring it up closer. It's like a rough suede, but it's like a buttery peanut butter color. So that is what it looks like. So this stays the same. This doesn't change on the sneaker. This kind of like bumblebee stripe pattern, that doesn't change. But as you peel back the material, you're gonna get those comical pile comical pile fonts. You feel what I'm saying on this sneaker? So it was very hard to peel, to be honest with you. She had a tough time, so did I.
Hard.
So we're gonna try to peel back the rest of it. You want to peel back the rest of it so they can see what it looks like, and we'll show you what one looks like distressed and not distressed. You feel what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and do that. Hey, that was a task to peel this fabric off of the shoe. We end up having to use some tweezers, man. So if you end up getting these shoes, I've never had to distress any sneakers. So this is my first time removing anything off of sneakers. So baby girl was like, hey, maybe we should try tweezers. Very good idea. Thank you, baby girl. So as you guys can see on the screen, we did get this thing off. We did get some of the wrapping off of the areas that it couldn't come off. All the areas that could come off, we got it off. It is kind of funky looking because we didn't go into grave detail because it was time consuming. You feel what I'm saying? But as you guys can see on the screen, there's 360 view. On the toe box, what do we have on the toe box, more?
It says Air Max 90.
All right, Air Max 90. And then on the left side, right up above the Nike Air Check, it says Hot Air. And then those are the only two kind of like graphics on the sneaker. But as you can see, it does have that butterscotch, buttercream looking type suede material. So yeah, let me know down in the comment section. Let us know, what do you guys think about this sneaker. So as you guys can see right here,
I wouldn't buy it.
You wouldn't buy it?
Mm-mm.
She said she wouldn't buy it. You wouldn't buy it?
It takes up a lot of my time with peeling it.
Takes up too much time peeling it. I feel that. She lazy. So hey, check it out. So this is what it looks like distressed, and then this is what it looks like normal. You feel what I'm saying? So y'all let me know down in the comment section, how would you rock these things? Would you even cop these things? We are gonna hit you guys with that what?
On feet.
On feet of these things, man. But before we do that, man, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Make sure you guys check out this link right here. This is gonna be the Word and J's. It's been a minute since I've dropped one of those videos, but I did today. Show some love to those videos. Very uplifting and encouraging. I hope they bring you guys some positivity, but most importantly, hope they get you guys closer to the Lord. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Wash them hands, man. And
these shoes are my bait to show my face.
These shoes behind us, this sneaker right here, and this sneaker right here. Go ahead, baby girl.
They're just bait away from me to show my face.
They're just bait away for us to share our faith. We appreciate you guys. Let's go ahead and get to this on feed.
I'm more clean, you smell no soap. God smile on the mean, tell no joke in the front of the neighborhood. I don't sell no dope. Brother more high, you don't smell no smoke. Brother more clean, you don't smell no soap. God smile on the mean, tell no joke in the front of the neighborhood. I don't sell no dope. Brother more high, you don't smell no smoke. Brother more clean, you don't smell no soap. God smile on the mean, tell no joke. God's great for the brother that trying to get clean. Know that I'm alive, but it feel like a dream. Tell them I am when they tell me I ain't. Battle with sin, so I know that I'm a saint. Tell me I'm alive, what lie I told. Put me in the fire, came out like gold. Cows go to hell, man, and I don't wanna go. Better know the enemy, plotting on your soul. Put me in the hood and I learn how to thug. Put me in the church and I learn how to love. Hit me with the word, I was like, oh yeah. I ain't never heard nothing like that there. Playing on the curb, I was not committed.